In this video, we will go over using markers, which we will use later in the editing process. There are two types of markers. There are media-based markers and global markers. Global markers stay at the time indicated on the timeline, regardless if the media underneath it changes locations on the timeline. The media markers move with the media it's attached to. To cover this topic, we are going to use the markers B project file. Go ahead and open it. To show the markers already on the recording, we click on the Show or Hide View button and the markers appear. This view can be toggled by using the Ctrl+M hotkey. As you can see, there are already some markers in our file. Let's go over adding new markers. We will start with the global marker. Hover your mouse on the timeline text and you see that a blue diamond appears. To add a marker, simply click and it adds it at that time. Let's go over adding media markers. Media-based markers are added by simply putting your cursor on top of the media and you will see a blue diamond appear. To add the media-based marker, simply click and it adds it to that piece of media. The difference between the two is that when you move the media under the global marker stays at the same timeline position. And when you move media that has a media marker, the marker stays in the same position relative to the media. You may want to change a global marker to a media marker or vice versa. Camtasia Studio makes it easy to switch between the two. To change a global marker to a media marker, you simply hover your mouse over the same position the global marker is, and follow the yellow line until your mouse is just on top of the media and you will see that a blue diamond appears. Click to change the global marker to a media marker. To change it from a media marker to a global marker, simply follow the yellow line up until it is just under the timeline tick markers, and click to change the media marker to a global marker. Another useful thing to do with markers is to give them a more descriptive name or rename them. To rename a marker, simply right-click on the marker's label and select Rename. Give it a descriptive name and press Enter on your keyboard. The last thing we can do with markers is delete them. To delete a marker, simply right-click on the marker's name and select Delete.